everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Meet the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 BRABUS G800, a no-compromise, full-throttle blend of opulence performance and unmistakable presence. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Now, let's talk looks. The BRABUS G800 exudes dominance with the WideStar widebody kit widening the stance by around 10 to 12 centimeters. It's bolstered by flared fenders, a redesigned bumper, and carbon fiber panels that reclaim every line from pedestrian to aggressive. Up front, the carbon fiber hood scoop, custom grille emblazoned with the BRABUS logo and integrated LED lighting define its presence with precision. On top, a roof add-on with LED light bar at the rear. A matching spoiler caps the sculptural silhouette, the trademark. Side exit quad exhausts scream performance as they flank oversized forged wheels, 23-inch or even 24-inch. Forged monoblock designs wrapped in ultra-high performance rubber options like the black and gold edition add flamenco-level dramatics. Glossy black body, gold finished wheels, logos and brake calipers, a statement in visual extravagance. Step inside, and the G800 reveals the marriage of grit and grace. BRABUS upholsters every surface in hand-stitched leather or alcantara with customizable color schemes, bold or discreet. It's built to your vision. Carbon fiber trim, soft closed doors, illuminated logos and ambient lights create an ambience that's equally refined and athletic. The tech stack includes a large digital display, command or MBUX infotainment with navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and even rear seat entertainment. With drop-down screens, Wi-Fi and multitasking surfaces. Comfort is next-level. Heated, ventilated and massaging multi-contour seats, tri-zone climate control, Burmester audio and analog IWC clock, and even cooled cup holders or spectator rails. Crafted for both thrill and relaxation. Let's start with the heartbeat beneath the hood. BRABUS takes the AMG's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and transforms it into a monster with upgrades like twin high-performance turbochargers, re-engineered core assemblies, and an upgraded engine management system. The G800 churns out an explosive 800 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque, delivering raw force in every pulse. This translates to a fury of motion 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.1 seconds and a top speed electronically limited to 149 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour. A remarkable feat for an SUV this stature. Power is routed through a 9-speed speed-shift transmission and Mercedes-AMG's 4MATIC permanent all-wheel drive, a setup that ensures every bit of that muscle reaches the pavement with controlled ferocity. Owning a BRABUS G800 is about more than horsepower, it's about rarity and personality. Only a handful are made, often under 13 pieces per run, with build times ranging from 4 to 12 months. It's a vehicle as bespoke as it is powerful. Prices mirror exclusivity. Starting around €475,000 for standard schemes, more elaborate finishes can breach €500,000 plus. Oversight choices and personalization justify every euro to enthusiasts. It's more than an SUV, it's a rolling art exhibit. To some critics it's flamboyant excess, a silly vanity wankpanzer, as one Redditor quipped. But for those who crave bold luxury, that's exactly the point. Fuel economy hovers around 13.1 L/100 km, or 15 miles per gallon, so expect frequent stops at the pump on tight curvy roads. Body roll kicks and rallying speed through corners is a cautious affair, yet the G63's upgraded suspension keeps things respectable. So, is the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 BRABUS G800 the most extreme, luxurious, and audacious SUV in existence? Quite possibly. It's not for everyone, nor is it meant to be. But for a select few, it's the exhilarating, bespoke embodiment of what a super SUV should be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most extraordinary machines. Drive with passion, and until next time, stay legendary.